In just 3 years, VESTA Defense has established itself as an innovative leader in non-lethal personal defense solutions. Our first pistol, the PDW-50, launched in 2023, met a resounding success among a diverse customer base in more than 30 countries, demonstrating its exceptional reliability and effectiveness. Our expertise extends beyond defense weapons. VESTA offers an exclusive range of non-lethal ammunition in 50 and 68 calibers, setting new benchmarks in terms of quality and diversity. Our collection of lasers and flashlights, acclaimed by users, perfectly complements our offering. In 2025, we keep pushing boundaries. VESTA Defense has developed breakthrough solutions in ammunition technology. Our premium non-lethal rounds in 50 and 68 calibers represent significant advances in safety and effectiveness. Our ammunition combines versatility with precision engineering. From training to defense scenarios, each round delivers optimal performance to match your needs. Our comprehensive range ensures reliable results when each shot counts. With our high-performance lasers and flashlights that have earned cult status among enthusiasts, we deliver an ecosystem of unparalleled defense solutions. VESTA Defense revolutionizes less lethal defense with the groundbreaking Flashloader system. This innovative dual-magazine solution not only doubles your pistol's capacity but achieves record-breaking reload speeds. In 2025, VESTA continues to advance the field with purpose-driven innovation. The Spear Carbine kit opens endless possibilities for personal defense. Transform your VESTA pistol into a tactical rifle in seconds with the groundbreaking Spear Carbine kit. One click unleashes enhanced tactical capabilities, integrated 6-round flash loader, glass breaker, dual Picatinny rails, sling mount, and more. When ultimate versatility meets instant deployment. When each shot counts. VESTA.